Hi everyone, this is Selvi. Today's interview question is: what are the outcomes of a sprint planning event? The outcomes of a sprint planning event are sprint goal and the sprint backlog. So now we try to understand how we prepare this sprint goal and sprint backlog. Sprint goal, as a team in collaboration with product owner, we prepare the sprint goal. This sprint goal acts as the target for the team to be achieved in this sprint period. Now, how the sprint backlog gets prepared? Sprint backlog gets prepared in alignment with the sprint goal. When we say the target is the sprint goal, to achieve the target, what are the work items that we need to implement as a team? Those work items will be pulled from the product backlog and prepared as the sprint backlog. Now, these work items, when we are pulling, we will be adhering to certain guidelines. Like, for example, whether we are meeting the definition of ready checklist or not, then whether it is a high priority work item or not, then whether we have the sufficient bandwidth in our team, that is the capacity in our team to manage this work or not. Based on that, we will be pulling these work items. So, to achieve the sprint goal, that is the target of the sprint, these work items are pulled from the product backlog and we prepare the sprint backlog. So at the end of every sprint planning meeting, we will be getting this two as the outcome. One is the sprint goal and another one is the sprint backlog. I think this is the very short episode that we have done with the interview question. This we have already discussed in our previous episodes related to sprint planning, but this is one of the very interesting and important question in the interviews. What are the outcomes of a sprint planning event? So I just want to cover it in an episode. Thank you everyone for listening. Happy learning and stay tuned.